Okay, so I just want to tell you this funny story that happened yesterday at cheer, but okay, so on Mondays at cheer we have gymnastics for an hour. Excuse me. And so yesterday was Monday. So we had gymnastics, and so I went, and there's normally two girls and a guy. And yesterday there was only a girl and a guy. And so we got into an oval, like this. And the guy came around and spotted me first. And he was like, "What you working on?" And I said, "Back handspring," because that's what I'm working on. And um, so I worked on the back handspring, with him once. And then, and then the girl came around and she was like, "What you working on?" And, no, hold on. And she's like, I watched her drop 5 people across the circle for me, oval thingy for me. I watched her drop the 5 people, 5, 10 people, however many it was. And then my friend, who was 3 over from me, I was right here, and then my friend was 3 over from me, was like, "I'm scared you're gonna drop me." And she was like, "No, I won't drop you." And she dropped her. And I was like, "What the heck?" And then she came to me, and she was like, "What you working on?" And I was like, "My back walkover." And I have my back walkover. I got it last year. And so I have it. And she was like, "You didn't even need me." And I was like, "I know." But I didn't want to get spotted on a back handspring with her, because I watched my friend that was getting spotted on a back handspring. The girl dropped her out of her head. And I was like, "No, you're not about to spot me." You want to listen to a phone call? Hey. Hello? Come on. 1:45. What time is it? I'm already ready. Okay. What is it? Sorry, that was my mom. She was telling me my friend was coming over to pick me up at 5:45. Well, to take me to cheer. But yeah, so that was my little cheer story. Wasn't that interesting? No, not really. But, whatever. Okay. So, I'm gonna go. Bye.